Presenting the Niagara Bayswater Chrome Cranked Bath Shower Mixer Tap, available here at Bella Bathrooms. Crafted from durable brass with a captivating polished chrome finish, this tap is not only a stunning addition to your bathroom, but also built to last. The classic crosshead handles, white indices, and sleek traditional curved design add a touch of elegance to any bath. With a 95mm spout reach and deck-mounted installation, this tap is perfect for baths with 2 tap holes. The ceramic disc technology guarantees smooth operation and long-lasting performance, ensuring you can enjoy hassle-free use for years to come. The ceramic diverter lever allows you to effortlessly switch between bath filling and showering, providing ultimate convenience. And with a shower handset, hose, and wall bracket included, you'll have everything you need for a luxurious bathing experience. Boost your bathroom with the Niagara Bayswater Chrome Cranked Bath Shower Mixer Tap today and indulge in style, functionality, and unmatched quality. Discover this and the rest of the Niagara Bayswater range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.